Introduction to Streaks.
Streaks is a popular habit tracking app designed to help you build and maintain good habits. By marking daily tasks as complete, you can create streaks, chains of consecutive days that keep you motivated. Whether you want to exercise, read, or drink more water, Streaks provides a simple, visual way to track your habits and progress.
Setting up your first habit.
To get started, open the app and tap the plus sign to add a new habit. Name your habit and choose an icon that represents it. Decide if it's a daily requirement or needs to be done on specific days. Streaks allows you to track up to 12 habits at a time, helping you focus without feeling overwhelmed.
Customizing habit reminders.
Stay on track with customizable reminders. For each habit, set specific reminder times to prompt you when you are most likely to complete the task. You can choose multiple reminders for each habit if needed. This makes it easier to establish routines, especially for habits you may forget throughout the day.
Completing and tracking streaks.
To mark a habit as complete, simply tap its icon. Every successful day extends your streak, providing a sense of accomplishment. If you miss a day, your streak resets, but the app's encouraging design helps you quickly get back on track. Viewing your current streaks and progress graphs can inspire you to keep going.
Tips for maintaining motivation.
Start small by focusing on a few key habits. Celebrate milestones within the app, and use the built-in stats to monitor your consistency. Pair streaks with other health apps for even more insight. Remember, progress isn't lost after a break. The app's positive reinforcement helps you rebuild, making habit formation sustainable over time.
Conclusion: building better habits.
Streaks transforms habit tracking into a motivating and rewarding process. By visually monitoring your progress, setting reminders, and celebrating achievements, you can turn small actions into lasting routines. Consistency creates change. Use streaks to build the habits that matter most to you.